Hey Nicole, this is John West Coast Connects. We reached out and spoke with you the other day, promised this free video, so here it is. I'm going to keep things really short and sweet. Just want to show you 3 tips that you could do to really maximize your traffic online. So with that, let me get started. So your website's put together very, very well. You have a cool map design here where it shows areas in which you serve. You have quite a few offices. Delray, Orlando, Fort Myers, Tampa, Jacksonville. I'm going to primarily focus right here in Orlando, but everything that I'm saying will work for everything and everywhere. You guys have your services. You have a lot of good things going on here. Right from the top, you have your click to call. You have a couple ways to convert. So a lot of good things. The one thing I noticed when I was doing some research, and your site is pretty strong, and you are ranking on quite a few keywords, but most of the volume that you're getting is your name, which is great. I mean, you've built up a brand that is really doing well. But that's where most of your traffic is coming from. When you look at places at things that are buyer specific keywords like mold removal in Florida or damage Broward or some of these other things, mold removal South Florida, you're really not high enough to get any traffic. Looking at Orlando, there's 5,600 searches a month for a variety of different, you have mold remediation, you have water damage restoration, mold removal, fire damage, all kinds of things that you could potentially be ranking for. But again, you're missing out on a lot of traffic because you're not ranking for those things. So realistically, if I wanted to rank for, say, Orlando water damage restoration, right, I would have that as a heading. I would have that within my content. I would even save an image as that keyword. So let's take, that's not an image. Let's take your logo, for instance. So instead of your logo being saved as logo, I would save it as Orlando Water Damage Company or Jacksonville Water Damage Company or whatever it may be. And having those keywords throughout your site, throughout your content, really helps in getting you ranked faster and more efficiently. So content would definitely be a big thing. Having those keywords in your headers, throughout your content saved as images, all come into play. Interlinking throughout your site, all that comes into play in ranking for specific keywords. So that's my first tip, is just to add content, and specifically buyer intent content or buyer intent keywords that's going to help rank you for specific buyer intent keywords. And again, you could do that for any page, and you could do that for any service. So Orlando, Jacksonville, Tampa, you can do it for everything. My second tip would be to really give yourself a wide variety of ways to be found and convert for any given keyword. So what I mean by that is, when someone's searching Orlando water damage restoration, for instance, there's a lot of ways they can convert. There's the local ads, which are great. They convert at a high level. They also, they're backed by Google, so it gives customers a peace of mind that their job is going to be done correctly. And these convert at a pretty high rate. They're a little bit more expensive than Google ads, but definitely worth it. Underneath it is usually where Google ads would be. Those are great for getting impressions. They do convert usually, typically like 3 to 5%, is usually your click-through rate. And they're great for, building up your brand, getting above the fold, getting traffic to your site. So those are great as well. The Google business profiles are really effective. These can pull up to 40% of the traffic. So again, on a keyword that has, we're looking at 300 searches a month, 120 right off the bat are going to this top 3. And how you build up your Google business profile, you want to add photos that are saved as keywords and geotagged. So, I can geotag a photo as, say, a location here, and it will Google will feel that you did a service in that location. You want to add post regularly from your Google business profile, usually 2 to 3 times a week is sufficient. You want to add your name, address, phone number on as many directories as possible that will add authority and validity to your business. And then you really want to continue to add 5-star reviews, fill it out in its entirety, but all those things go into play and will help you get ranked. And then last but not least, build up the strength of your site to rank organically. So if you're in the local ads, if you're running an ad, if you're in the top 3 and you're ranking organically, you're going to pull as much traffic as you possibly can for any given keyword. And then last but not least, just continue to strengthen up your site. So your site is doing pretty well. You have 40 do follow links, 76 referring domains, which are just websites that are sending links back to your site, and do follow are ones that are giving you power. But just to show you what that looks like in your competition, this is ServPro. This is a back page, right? So they only have a couple links and they're getting power from their homepage, but they're ranking for 51 keywords and getting a ton of volume just because they're ranking for good keywords and they are pretty high in where they're ranking for. So kind of what you want to do is kind of emulate what works and what people are doing ahead of you and just try to do it better. And ServPro is definitely doing all those things I mentioned. So I hope this has been helpful. I hope it's been informative. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, comments, concerns. Would love to get your feedback on this video. But with that, have a great day and God bless.